Ever needed that perfect B-roll shot? Or wish your still images could magically come to life as a video? Well, you're in luck. Hey, my name is Kaleb Gonyea, and today I'm going to show you an exciting new Adobe workflow that makes this possible. I'll guide you step by step as we take a simple sketch and turn it into a stunning image, and then transform that image into a smooth 5-second video, all with a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll have your own dynamic visual you can use on your own projects. So let's dive in and bring those ideas to life. Let's jump into Adobe Firefly. First thing you want to do is click on the text to image module. On the left toolbar, go ahead and select your aspect ratio and content type. I'm going to keep my aspect ratio the same at square 1:1, but I'm going to select art for content type. Just below that, you'll see the composition reference section. This is where our sketch comes in handy. Click upload image and select your sketch. Next up, style options. I'm going to choose the colorful cloud style, but you can pick whatever one fits your vibe. Then I want to turn the visual intensity and strength all the way to 100%. Now for the fun part, your prompt. This tells Firefly what kind of image you want to generate. Here's what I used, a colorful goldfish swimming in the water. Once your prompt's ready, go ahead and click generate. Boom, just like that, we've got some amazing results. Now let's take it a step further. We're going to turn this still image into a short video directly. Hover over the image you like the best and click the down arrow in the top left corner. Then choose generate video from the dropdown. You'll be taken to this dashboard. Look in the bottom left. You'll see your image loaded as the first keyframe right next to the prompt field. Just like before, we'll tweak settings on the left side. For the general settings, I'm going to keep the aspect ratio the same at 16:9. Although I created a 1:1 image, I want to create a 16:9 so I can use this for video. Under camera, you'll see a bunch of different motion options. I'm going to leave mine blank for now, but feel free to play with all the different options. Now let's write a prompt for our video. Here's what I'm using. A large goldfish slowly swimming and blinking. Have fish swim out of frame. When you're happy with everything, hit generate, sit back, and watch the magic happen. And there you have it, from a simple sketch to an amazing video. Again, my name is Kaleb Gonyea, and I'll see you in the next video.